If you feel weaker than you used to, tired sooner, unsteady on stairs, and worn out by things that never used to bother you, it might not be aging. It might be sarcopenia. Sarcopenia is the quiet, everyday muscle loss that steals strength from seniors after 60, and it works fast. The good news is that most of it can be slowed, and some of it can be reversed by changing one meal a day. Not lunch, not dinner, breakfast. In the next few minutes, you'll learn the one breakfast food that quietly rebuilds the muscles you have lost. 5 common breakfast foods that are silently making your muscle loss worse. 4 more foods that pair perfectly with the first one. And the simple morning habits that put all of it to work. Everything on this list is real, backed by research, cheap, and already sold at your local grocery store. Let's begin. What sarcopenia is and why it matters. After 60, sarcopenia is the medical name for the slow, steady loss of muscle mass and strength that begins in your 30s, quietly accelerates in your 50s, and speeds up sharply after 60. Most seniors have never heard the word, even though almost every senior over 60 has some degree of it. Here is what makes it dangerous. Sarcopenia doesn't announce itself. There is no pain, no obvious sign, no red flag from your doctor. It creeps in through small daily changes you barely notice. The stairs feel a little longer. Standing up out of a low chair takes a small extra push. Carrying groceries in from the car requires one hand under the bag instead of 2 fingers on the handle. You stop reaching for the top shelf. You stop bending down to garden. You catch yourself pausing at the curb before you step down. Each of these small workarounds looks harmless in the moment. Added together, over a few years, they become the reason a senior stops driving, stops living alone, or starts falling. Research consistently shows that adults lose roughly 3 to 8% of their muscle mass per decade after 30, and the rate speeds up after 60. Losing that muscle is not just about strength. It is about your metabolism, your balance, your immune system, your bone density, and your ability to recover from any illness or hospital stay. In fact, in older adults, muscle strength is a stronger predictor of how long someone will stay independent than almost any other single measurement. The reason breakfast matters so much is what happens overnight. While you sleep, your body is in a slight muscle breakdown state. It has been hours since your last meal, and your body borrows small amounts of protein from your existing muscle to keep essential functions running. When you wake up, your muscles are hungry for protein and nutrients to switch back into building mode. What you eat first thing in the morning either flips that switch on or leaves it off for hours. And the wrong breakfast doesn't just leave it off, it actively makes things worse. Why protein is essential after age 60. Here is something almost no doctor takes the time to explain. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at using the protein you eat. This is called anabolic resistance. It means the same steak that would have built muscle in your body at 30 barely does anything at 65. The signal that tells your muscles to rebuild is quieter. To wake it up, you need more protein, and you need the right kind at the right time. Specifically, older adults need somewhere between 1.2 and 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. For a 150-pound senior, that works out to roughly 80 to 100 grams a day. Most seniors are eating half that or less, and the biggest gap is at breakfast. Most senior breakfasts, toast, cereal, coffee, oatmeal, a piece of fruit, contain almost no protein at all, which means you spend the first 4 to 6 hours of your day in a muscle-losing state every single day. There is also a specific amino acid inside protein that matters more than any other for building muscle in older adults. It is called leucine. Leucine is the switch. It turns on your body's muscle-building machinery called protein synthesis. Research on older adults shows that you need roughly 2 to 3 grams of leucine per meal to reliably flip that switch on. Most seniors do not get anywhere near that at breakfast, which brings us to the one food that does. The one breakfast food that supports stronger muscles. Plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. That is the one. Not fancy, not expensive, not a supplement. Sitting in the dairy aisle of every grocery store in the country. And it happens to be one of the few single foods on the planet that hits every single thing an older muscle needs at breakfast, all at once. Here is why it works. One 6-ounce serving of plain Greek yogurt gives you about 17 to 20 grams of complete protein. That is double what you get from regular yogurt and roughly the same as 3 eggs. It contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot make on its own, and it delivers roughly 2 to 2.5 grams of leucine per serving, which lands you right in the range that flips the muscle-building switch on. But the reason Greek yogurt beats almost every other single food for a senior breakfast is that it contains 2 different kinds of protein working together. About 80% of the protein is casein and 20% is whey. Whey digests fast, sending a quick wave of amino acids into your bloodstream to trigger the muscle repair signal right away. Casein digests slowly, drip-feeding amino acids into your muscles for hours afterward. It is like getting 2 protein deliveries from a single spoonful. Most other foods only give you one or the other. Full fat matters, and this is where most seniors get it wrong. The fat in whole Greek yogurt is not the enemy. It is what allows your body to actually absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K that come along with it. Vitamin D in particular is critical for older muscles. It works like a hormone that tells your muscles to hold on to protein and stay strong. Skip the fat, and you skip the vitamin every time. Here is exactly how to use it. Eat 1 full 6-ounce serving of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt within 30 minutes of waking up, when your muscles are hungriest for protein after the overnight fast. If you need sweetness, add fresh berries. If you want a little crunch and a small extra protein boost, sprinkle a tablespoon of chopped walnuts or almonds on top. Avoid the flavored yogurts, the low-fat versions, and anything with added sugar or fruit at the bottom. Those undo half of what you are trying to do. Do this every single morning for 4 weeks, and you will notice something. Your grip on jars and bags will feel a little firmer. The stairs will feel a little shorter. You will feel less shaky standing up. Those are small signs that the switch is back on. Common breakfast mistakes that may contribute to muscle loss. The Greek yogurt alone helps. But if you pair it with the wrong other foods or reach for the wrong things first thing in the morning, you can undo most of the benefit. These are the 5 most common breakfast mistakes seniors make. Some of them will surprise you. Mistake 1. White bread, toast and jam, buttered white bread, a quick bagel. Most seniors reach for white bread in the morning because it is fast, cheap, and fills you up. But here is what actually happens when you eat it. White bread is stripped of nearly all its fiber and protein during processing. What is left is essentially fast-releasing sugar. Within minutes of eating it, your blood sugar spikes hard, and your body dumps a large wave of insulin to bring it back down. That insulin surge has 2 problems for older muscles. First, it tells your body to store energy rather than use protein to rebuild muscle, which is the opposite of what you want at breakfast. Second, the sharp crash that follows a blood sugar spike leaves you tired, foggy, and reaching for more carbs an hour later, starting the cycle all over again. Over weeks and months, this pattern is quietly linked to accelerated muscle loss and to the anabolic resistance we talked about earlier. If you love bread in the morning, switch to a slice of sprouted grain bread or genuine whole grain sourdough, which digests slower and come with real fiber and small amounts of protein. Better yet, replace the bread entirely with your Greek yogurt. Mistake 2. Coffee on an empty stomach. This one shocks a lot of seniors because coffee is a lifelong habit. Coffee itself is not the problem. The problem is drinking it before you eat anything. When caffeine hits an empty stomach first thing in the morning, it triggers a strong release of cortisol, your body's stress hormone. Cortisol levels are already naturally at their highest first thing in the morning, and coffee pushes them higher. In older adults, chronically elevated cortisol is directly linked to muscle breakdown and slower muscle repair. Your body reads the stress signal, decides it is in survival mode, and starts pulling small amounts of protein out of your existing muscle for emergency energy. The fix is simple. Do not stop drinking coffee. Just eat something with real protein first. Have your Greek yogurt, then have your coffee 10 or 15 minutes later. Same coffee, completely different effect on your muscles. Mistake 3. Processed breakfast meats. Bacon, breakfast sausage, deli ham, sausage patties. Millions of seniors grab these for a quick protein hit in the morning, believing that meat equals muscle. Here is the problem. Processed meats contain preservatives called nitrates and nitrites, and inside your body, some of these convert into compounds called nitrosamines. Long-term high intake of nitrosamines is linked to chronic inflammation, and chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of accelerated muscle loss in older adults. It is a slow poison, not a fast one. You will not feel it in one bite. You will feel it in years of daily bites. The fix is not to give up meat at breakfast. It is to switch to unprocessed forms. Fresh chicken breast left over from dinner, roasted turkey slices from a whole roasted turkey rather than a deli package, or a small piece of baked salmon. Same protein hit, none of the inflammatory preservatives. Mistake 4. Oatmeal with skim milk. This is the one that surprises seniors the most, because they have been told for decades that oatmeal with skim milk is the perfect heart-healthy senior breakfast. And oatmeal by itself is actually fine. The problem is what most seniors pair it with, skim milk. Here is what happens. Oatmeal is mostly carbohydrates with a small amount of protein. Skim milk is a decent source of protein, but the fat has been removed. And without the fat, your body cannot absorb the fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K that come naturally packaged in whole milk. Those vitamins are essential for muscle health, especially vitamin D. Removing the fat is the equivalent of throwing away the key that unlocks the vitamins. Even worse, plain oatmeal with skim milk is dominated by carbohydrates and provides only a small amount of protein, nowhere near enough leucine to switch on muscle protein synthesis. So you fill up, feel virtuous, and completely miss the muscle-building window. The fix is to use whole milk instead of skim and to add real protein to your oatmeal. A scoop of Greek yogurt on top, a handful of chopped nuts, or a spoonful of chia or hemp seeds transforms a muscle-losing breakfast into a muscle-building one. Mistake 5. Refined breakfast cereals. The last mistake is sitting in almost every senior's pantry. Boxed breakfast cereals, even the ones labeled fortified, heart-healthy, high-fiber, or made with whole grains. Most of them are ultra-processed, high in sugar, low in real protein, and missing the essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild. The bigger problem is timing. Cereal for breakfast means you spend the most protein-hungry moment of your day flooding your body with fast sugar and almost no muscle-building material. Even if you eat a good protein-rich lunch, your body has already spent the morning in a slight breakdown state. You cannot fully make up for a missed breakfast window later in the day. You have to hit it in the morning. The fix is to replace the cereal outright. Greek yogurt with berries and nuts takes the same 2 minutes to prepare and is genuinely better for you. 4 more foods that pair with Greek yogurt for stronger muscles. Greek yogurt is the foundation, but if you want to build a full muscle-supporting breakfast or you want variety day to day, here are 4 more foods that pair beautifully with it and hit different parts of the muscle support picture. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is the underrated cousin of Greek yogurt, and in some ways an even better breakfast for older muscles. 1 cup of full-fat cottage cheese gives you about 25 grams of protein and roughly 2.5 grams of leucine, easily hitting the muscle-building threshold. It is very high in casein, the slow-digesting protein, so it drip-feeds your muscles for hours after eating. It is also one of the cheapest high-protein foods you can buy. Have it plain with a pinch of salt mixed with a spoonful of Greek yogurt, or topped with fresh fruit. Avocado. Half an avocado on the side of your breakfast does something most seniors do not realize. The healthy monounsaturated fats in avocado help your body absorb the fat-soluble vitamins in your yogurt, your eggs if you eat them, and your leafy greens throughout the day. It also delivers more potassium per serving than a banana, which supports proper muscle contraction and helps prevent cramps and stiffness. Mash it, spread it, slice it, or add it to a bowl. It works with almost anything. Lean, unprocessed meats, chicken or turkey. Slice a small piece of leftover roast chicken or turkey